Yeah, I think we had a decent quarter. I think the increased pace of growth is showing that our strategy is working, and we've increased the amount that we're spending on the user acquisition, which should help us continue to grow impressively. But we're trying to focus on fundamentals actually, and try not to think about how big the company can get, but just make sure we are improving the games and we are acquiring users that are profitable in the long run. Overall, it's good, especially in the long run. Our gross margins are obviously going to be higher if our own games are successful. In the short term, though, it might have even negative effect because of the increased investment in user acquisition, especially if we want to ramp up the revenue of the game quickly. But it's a very good thing in the long run for the company. Well, we're seeing very good performance from Mahjong Journey game. It's G5's own game we have released several months ago. Performing really well so far, although it's still in the early stages of accumulating its players' audience. And I would say that we definitely can see the potential of the games better than before. And we can pick and choose which games are performing better in order to focus on really making these games successful and scaling the revenue from these games. So in the coming months, the number one priority that we have, like it's an everyday task really, is to focus on acquiring the users and acquiring fundamentally profitable users. The second thing is improving the games that we already have in our portfolio. Just making these updates, improving monetization, improving retention so that players stay in our games for longer and spend more money. And the next thing is releasing the games that we have in the pipeline. And we're very excited about games that we have scheduled for release in 2015. And we can't wait to bring these games to the market.